Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshot with the power button in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the page for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this page. Okay. With power button means you have to use power button. Okay, you can find power button on the right side of our phone. This is power button. You have to use power button and volume down button at the same time. Okay, press and hold power button and volume down button. Okay, and release. Yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, again you have to do the same. Press power button and volume down button simultaneously, and screenshot will be taken. There click on enlarging icon. Okay, click on enlarging icon, again. If you click again, then page will be increasing. Okay, and see here, this is the long screenshot. So in this way you can easily take screenshot and long screenshot with power button in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.